half ng fish at crocodile yung dragon. Basically, yung dragon.
Oo.
Hindi ka
Parang ano, yung mata ni Amon.
yung dragon keepers was really just there to keep the dragon. Wala kayong and it is by the king's command.
Kaya ang daming bastards.
Yung mga first time, di ba yung wedding ng mga Targaryen ng male, they go to wedding and ay, hindi na rin na sinili ng wedding.
Ikaw nga hindi ka Dragon Rider. Babae, sinasagot-sagot ka na lang. Weakling!
Both na hindi wala allow that. Hindi naririnig.
Ganon lang. Ano ba yan?
In front of so many people. And then,
Lannister ka, te. Hindi ka, silver hair.
kapatid na pinag-complain na dyan.
Oo.
Parang pag ano lang mga graduation ng
Commencement.
Yung valedictorian.
principal.
May start doon, no?
Kasi apparently, touchy subject pa
Oh,
sa
libog.
What word do you need? You have I'm gonna see the dragons. The dragons man.
Dahil masusunog.